Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. I hope you're having a wonderful day and that you are doing well. And if you're new here, my name is Emily and I love to make videos about fashion, jewelry, lifestyle, and anything magical. I'm here with my furry co-hosts Georgina and Zoe, and we are here to show you and share with you our review of January release from Ohm Beads. Ohm Beads was kind enough to send me two of the beads from their January release, which is Lion Dance and Peace Alien, as well as a special Ohmbassador project that will be coming out on January 17th. It is called Marble the Pony Campus. So if you're ready, make sure to grab a cup of tea. I'm enjoying some delicious tea from DAVIDsTEA. It is called Countess of Seville. This is a green tea that has bits of orange peel, cornflowers, as well as some bergamot oil. It is so delicious, and this is an online exclusive for DAVIDsTEA, meaning you can only get it online on their e-store. So if you'd like to try some, I'll make sure to link it down below. Now let's head into the January 2020 release from Ohm Beads. And by the way, you guys, Happy New Year! I cannot believe it is already the new year. Last year went by so fast. Now the first bead I have to share with you is actually my absolute favorite from the January release. It is called Lion Dance. First off, it comes in this gorgeous lucky red packaging. The box is beautiful. It also has a metallic gold Ohm logo on it, and it just feels very special and luxurious. When you open it up, you see the stunning Lion Dance head, and it is exquisitely detailed, and he's just so magnificent looking. I love the detail on the eyes, the nose, and the little teeth. So beautifully done. It also has like kind of the fur, like the little swirls going around him, kind of like the little scales. I love that detail. Now, one of the best parts that I actually didn't realize until I was unboxing this bead, actually I do have a video of that on my IGTV stories on Instagram. I'll link that down below, is that his jaw actually opens and closes. I was just blown away when I first saw this, and to be honest, I'm still blown away every time I find myself playing with it. Like, it's just so cool that he pretends to be like eating, all the greens and the leaves. It's just so cute. Like, I love it. Now, Ohm basically did this with little screws on the inside, and it's just so cool. Like, I love that Ohm always is taking it to the next level. And they'll always find a way to make you smile when you're opening or looking at one of their beads. It's just so charming that like his little mouth opens. Now you can wear this as both a pendant or on your bracelet. So I love that it has the two options. It's always really nice for styling. It also has a very special meaning for me because it reminds me of my old job. Every year, we would have a lion dance, 2 lions sometimes, and they would come in to bring good fortune over our kind of like workspace, our offices, and it was just so fun, and everyone got so excited, and you'd hear the drums going, and like, oh my gosh, it was just the best. I styled Lion Dance on my lucky red Ohm whip bracelet. I think he is just perfect on there, and I just love that pop of vibrant red from the lucky red whip bracelet. It's so perfect. I also have Year of the Rat on there because 2020 is the Year of the Rat, and I also put on Bottomless, that cute little pig, because that represents 2019. So I kind of have this New Year's themed bracelet. I also added a couple Ohm Beads glass on here for little pops of color, and I just think it looks so nice and fun and vibrant, and every time I look at this bracelet, it just makes me smile. Now we're gonna head over with Georgina, and I'm gonna show you the next item, next bead from the January release. It actually releases a little later though. So this is Marble the Pony Campus. As mentioned before, it does release on January 17th. The time will be announced at some point, so I'll make sure to update you guys once I hear what time it's gonna be releasing at. But Marble the Pony Campus is designed by Grace Owens. She is a wonderful artist, and oh my goodness, Marble is just the cutest. Now, when I first unboxed it, I was really torn about which bead was my absolute favorite from the January release as a whole, but Lion Dance made it just because I found myself really playing with him and wanting to style him a lot. But also Pony Campus is such like, it's a very close runner-up because it's just so unique. And it basically has like half a body of this gorgeous horse and then half the body of a fish. And that is just, it's so cool. It's so different, and it's so unique. I love the eye details on Marble. So cute. The little fins. There's so much texture and detail on this silver bead. And I love it. Like, oh my goodness, look at the mane, like the hair on the mane, like beautiful. And I love how the the hair on the mane almost looks kind of like fins, and then it actually goes into the fins on the fish body part. So it's beautiful. I also like how the fins kind of look like they're actually floating in water. They have a beautiful little wave detail on there. The artist for this Ohm Mystery project, Grace Owen, does tend to work with the theme of natural and fantasy worlds combining and coming together. And what I love about Marble the Pony Campus is it literally looks like he just popped out of one of her illustrations. I chose to put Marble on one of my whip bracelets. This bracelet has a beautiful kind of fantasy nature theme already on it, and I thought he would look perfect with Ohm Odette, so inspired by Swan Lake, and Spark of Life. Spark of Life just looks super magical to me, and it kind of has these kind of scale-like textures on it, which I thought complemented Marble quite well. On the bracelet, I have the Heart of the Woods, the unicorny glass beads from Ohm. I have the unicorn bead in the center, as well as my beloved wood ant. He's just so cute. Now, what I love about the Ohm whip bracelets is that they create a kind of stacked-like look, but it's only one bracelet. So on a couple layers up, I have Marble, Spark of Life, and Odette again, and they're just kind of up above my wrist, which I really love. And I really love like how, Odette and Marble look together, because Odette has her cute little feathers. The Pony Campus has its like cute little scales, and I just think they really do complement each other really well. And hey, maybe they'd go swimming together. You never know. Quite possibly they could. Georgina and Zoe are going to help showcase the last bead I have to share with you. He is called Peace Alien. Oh my goodness, and he is really cute. When I first saw him, I wasn't sure if it would be up my alley, because I'm like, aliens, not really totally my thing. But when I unboxed him, I was blown away about how cute he was. And I love the size of him. He was actually smaller than I was expecting and a beautiful weight. And of course, he has so many fun details on him. Again, he has those classic, like that alien face, the alien eyes, his cute little outfit. And, he's making a little peace symbol with his hand, I come in peace. But if you turn him around, his fingers are crossed. So what does that mean? Is he crossing his fingers for good luck? Is he crossing his fingers because he doesn't come in peace? And he's just tricking us? Like, I love that. Again, another little bead that makes you smile, and I love that Ohm Beads does that. Another detail I really love about Peace Alien is on the bottom of the charm, his little feet, like on his little shoes. There's so much detail. And a lot of times you'll find on beads is that they're just plain silver. There's nothing special. But what Ohm does so well is really capturing detail from every angle. They're very thoughtful when it comes to their bead designs, and I really love that about them. Now, Peace Alien went on my own twisted bangle, and he became really good friends when he landed on planet Earth with the curly sheep from Ohm. Like, they just became best buds. And that's basically the story and inspiration behind this bracelet design. So I have some of the slim designed glass beads on here, also a retired Ohm glass bead. And yeah, they're just kind of hanging out and being friends together. And maybe the curly sheep will help us know if Peace Alien really does come in peace, because we still don't know for sure. That concludes my January 2020 review for the Ohm Beads collection. Thank you so much, Ohm Beads, again for sending me these beads to review. It was so much fun. I also would love to know what you guys think of this collection release, as well as which bead is your favorite from the release. Anyway, you guys, take care, have a wonderful rest of your day, and bye for now.